Hello, and welcome to Stony Brook University. My name is Nina Mong, and I'm the Associate Vice President for Research and the Deputy Operations Manager for the Research Foundation for SUNY. Among the numerous hats I wear is my leadership of the Office of Proposal Development. The Office of Proposal Development, or OPD, was established at Stony Brook in 2016 and is one of 6 units within the Office of the Vice President for Research, whose mission is to support Stony Brook researchers in their pursuit of extramural funding. To achieve this, we provide Stony Brook researchers with a comprehensive suite of services to foster the development and growth of their research activities. Some key examples of OPD services include the development of large, multi-investigator, multi-institutional proposals, including proposals to develop research centers at Stony Brook. The development of complex proposals, such as NIH training grants that have a high administrative burden related to the required data tables. Early career faculty proposals to help them establish or bolster funding for their research programs, as well as a host of other services such as our Sea Grant program, finding funding opportunities, organizing workshops and grant writing trainings, and connecting researchers to institutional resources. Over the past 6 years, OPD staff have developed rewarding and successful partnerships with researchers across all of the schools and colleges on campus. And the faculty that have worked with us have found our support to be, quote, game-changing. All of the valuable services that you will learn about in this video have been rigorously designed and tested with the goal of offering our Stony Brook faculty the most comprehensive and extensive support possible that will lead to the submission of a highly competitive proposal. It's probably easiest to describe OPD services in 2 buckets: proposal development support and strategic research development support. Let's start with Sherry Clark, who will review our proposal development support services.
Thanks, Nina. My name is Sherry Clark, and I am the Assistant Director of the Office of Proposal Development. I'll take you through a quick overview of the proposal development services that we offer. Our office supports 3 key priority areas. The first is large proposals, which include any proposal with a budget over $5 million. Another priority area for us is complex proposals. There are so many projects that fit into this area, but I'll give you a few examples. One would be NIH training grants, as they require comprehensive data tables that can be hundreds of pages in length. Another would be NSF major research instrumentation proposals, because they have complex budgets with required institutional cost share. Others include proposals with several subcontracts and collaborators. And our third priority, as Nina mentioned, is early career faculty proposals. We typically support early career faculty every step of the way through specially designed, comprehensive soup-to-nuts support series for both NSF Career and NIHK award mechanisms. One of our most popular services for proposal development is proposal management. This means that we thoroughly review the funding opportunity announcement, create a checklist of all the components required for submission, and keep the research team on track to meet those deliverables. We also provide support for the administrative components of proposals, including budget development, so you can focus on the technical components. And we assist investigators with internal and sponsor proposal systems, such as MyResearch, research.gov, and Assist. Finally, we offer a repository of proposal resources on our SharePoint site. Here, you can find previously funded proposals from various programs, including NSF Career, NIHK, and NSF MRI. Also housed on our SharePoint site are slides from previous workshops and other resources for specific programs. We look forward to working with you, and please reach out to us with any questions about our services. When you work with our team, you're never alone in developing your proposal. Now, on to Mandy France, who will describe our research development support services.
Thanks, Sherry. My name is Mandy France, and I'm a Research Development Specialist in the Office of Proposal Development. I'm going to take you through some of our research development support services. One of our main research development focus areas is identifying and sharing funding opportunities with Stony Brook investigators. Finding the right funding opportunity can be half the battle for securing external funds, and we offer several different resources to help faculty expand their research. The key resource that we have is the Pivot Funding Opportunities database. Pivot is one of the most comprehensive databases available because it includes funding opportunities from both public and private sponsors, and it even has international funding opportunities that are otherwise hard to find. Additionally, our office manages all limited competitions for the university by disseminating information about limited submission funding opportunities and managing the pre-application and peer review process. We also coordinate the OVPR Seed Grant Program, which aims to give Stony Brook University faculty a competitive edge in securing external research funds. The program supports and fosters innovative scientific and scholarly activities that will lead to the development of proposals with a greater likelihood of success. We typically run a cycle each semester, and we have special initiative seed grant programs throughout the year as well. The OVPR Seed Grant Program is the largest seed grant program offered at the university. Another focus area for our research development work is to organize workshops and trainings on all topics related to grant writing and proposal development. Sometimes our workshops are focused on specific funding agencies, funding mechanisms, or disciplines, and we regularly offer trainings designed for early career faculty. We also organize events and workshops to provide faculty with the opportunity to network and build research teams with other investigators, and to interact with program officers. And finally, to complement our proposal development services, we partner with a number of external consultants to offer copy editing and graphic design services for proposal submissions. For more information about any of our services, please visit our website and sign up to join our Google group. We send out a weekly newsletter with a list of active, limited competition opportunities, noteworthy funding opportunities, upcoming internal and external workshops, and other important announcements and research news.
We hope this overview was informative and that you will visit us in person in our new suite located on the 5th floor of the Melville Library. The team of the Office of Proposal Development warmly welcomes you to Stony Brook University, and we look forward to working with you.